Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Christmas nails at home. First, gather all your essential tools like nail files, clippers, and your favorite festive polishes. Ensure your nails are clean and shaped to your desired length and form. Next, apply a thin, even layer of base coat to protect your natural nails and create a smooth foundation for your design. This crucial step helps your manicure last longer and prevents staining. Now, let's dive into some festive design ideas. You can create classic candy cane stripes using a thin striping brush or delicate snowflakes with a dotting tool. Experiment with a palette of deep reds, forest greens, shimmering golds, and snowy whites. Don't be afraid to mix and match, perhaps adding a touch of glitter for extra sparkle. Precision is key for intricate details, so take your time. For application, apply 2 thin, even coats of your chosen base color, allowing each layer to dry slightly. While the polish is still a bit tacky, carefully add embellishments like tiny rhinestones, festive nail stickers, or loose glitter. A small pair of tweezers can be incredibly helpful for placing these tiny decorations precisely. For perfect polka dots, a dotting tool works wonders, creating uniform circles with ease. To finish your beautiful Christmas nails and ensure they last, apply a generous, high-quality top coat. This seals your design, adds a brilliant shine, and protects against chips. Remember to allow ample drying time, at least 10 to 15 minutes between each layer, to prevent smudging. Finally, keep your cuticles hydrated with a nourishing oil daily for healthy-looking hands throughout the festive season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.